do nuclear armed countries fight? If they fight a conventional war, there is every possibility that it's going to end up into nuclear war. The unthinkable. I mean, if say Pakistan, God forbid, we're fighting a conventional war, we're losing, and if a country is stuck between the choice, either you surrender or you fight till death for your freedom. I know Pakistanis will fight to death for their freedom. So when a nuclear armed country fights to the end, to the death, it has consequences. So that's why we have approached the United Nations, we are approaching every international forum that they must act right now, because this is a potential a disaster which would go way beyond the Indian subcontinent.